Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Buick Enclave. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always start by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Next, safely raise your vehicle using a sturdy jack and secure it firmly with at least 2 jack stands. Ensure your engine and exhaust system are completely cool to avoid any burns. Having your essential tools ready, like a ratchet set and wrenches, will make this job much smoother. Now that safety is covered, let's gain access to the starter. You'll likely need to remove any plastic splash shields or skid plates from underneath the vehicle first. The starter is located under the exhaust manifold. Next, detach the heat shield, which is typically held by 3 10mm bolts. You might also need to carefully disconnect an oxygen sensor wire and loosen, or remove some exhaust manifold nuts and a catalytic converter bracket to create enough space for removal. With the starter now accessible, it's time for removal. First, disconnect the main power cable, usually secured by a 13mm nut. Then, unplug the smaller solenoid wire connector. This often involves pressing a locking tab. Next, remove the 2 15mm mounting bolts that hold the starter to the engine block. Once these are out, carefully maneuver the old starter out of its tight spot. Now, position your new starter in place, ready for reinstallation. To finish up, let's get everything back together. Secure the new starter by reinstalling its 2 15mm mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect both the main power cable and the solenoid wire, ensuring all connections are snug and secure. Carefully reinstall any exhaust components, heat shields, and splash guards you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable. Give your vehicle a test start to confirm the new starter is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.